So today I'm gonna teach you how to make a Discord server, but not just a normal Discord server. I'm gonna do a lot with it. It's gonna be pretty much useless because I'm gonna delete it afterwards. But to create a Discord server, you go to the plus right here and click on create a server. Then you choose a server name. I'll just use um, test server, and you can choose a server icon. I will just take this random picture I have. Then you can choose your sub-region. I will do Western Europe. It will automatically set a city that's close to you, but I mostly change the sub-region to Western Europe. It's better for everyone in Europe, and then if you want to make an American server, you can easily go to an American server, but you can change it once you made the server. You press create, and there you have it. First of all, disconnect from the voice channel. Here is your Discord. There's not much to do here, but to start off, I always start with roles because if you need to add a role afterwards, it will be really hard. So, what roles do we need? We need member. It's sort of a role for a community. So, member, I'm gonna make them green. They will be desperate from other members, and I don't think we need anything else. No, I don't. Well, you can change this how you want. Like, you can't go in voice channels if you're a member or something. I wouldn't do that. I would just do if you're a real community with only specific members, just disable everything for them, for everyone, so they can't do anything. Maybe send a message and read a message. That's it. So they can say, yeah, I'm in your group. But I wouldn't really do much more than that. It seems my screen wasn't really right. That's better. Okay, so I disabled everything. Yeah, you can't change anything too bad for that. Then we need a what's higher than member? Let's just take a mod, make them blue, display, and you just go on. They can like do this. They can kick members. No, they don't. They can't do that. Can ban, can manage nicknames, and that's it. So now we have a couple of roles. I'm just gonna make one more. You can make more for your server, because I'm just showing you how it works. So I'm gonna make mine its owner. I'll take this color, and then I can check everything, but it has no use because you already have everything. But if you're making a server for someone else and making them owner without transferring the ownership, you can do this. I wouldn't, but anyone can share mention my role, and done. To assign a role, you go here, no roles, and then owner. Now I have the role owner. If you want more people in, you can always set a role to what you want. There are bots to do this, but I am not really into that. If you look at my own server, I have some people. Link is down below to join it. We talk a little bit. So now that we are going back, we have our roles. Okay. Then we want a invite link that will never expire. Copy that and then paste it here so you always have it, even if you lose the link by copy pasting something else. What I would do is start with within the general page. That's where everyone will connect in text chat for the first time. So what we will say here, hello, welcome to my server, blah 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 blah. Rules, blah 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 blah. It's hard to make something that you're not actually gonna use, not take too much time and everything. To make a text channel, you press here and then the channel name. So I want a chat channel, so chats_1. You can't use spaces in text channels, which I think is too bad. But okay, we have a chat channel. Now people can chat here, everyone. If you want a chat channel for members, so like a member channel, you select member, mod, and owner, create. Now only members, mods, and owner can go in this chat. So if you didn't get a role or owner role that was not assigned to this text chat, you can't chat here. You can't even see the text channel. Then if I want like a mod channel, you make mods, you press mod and owner and create. Now only mods and owners can see this. If you add admins, you would add the admins. It's your decision which rank you will use. After we have done that, we will go to voice channels. Yeah, the general chat where you can go in and talk to people, but of course, one voice channel isn't enough. You press on voice channel, you make the channel name. I will make a member channel for no reason, then member, mod, and owner, create. Now you have a member channel that only those specific people can go in. I can't show you, you can't see them because I am the owner and with the recording software, I can't show you some stuff. I wanted to get another person in here. So guys, what I found out, you need to have, well, for me, only Tor works to make a new account and join your Discord. But what I'm basically doing right now is getting a account without a email or something, just a name in my Discord, so I can try out ranks in Tor. You can do this with your own friends. You can do this on your own if you find another way that's easier, because Tor is very slow, of course. And the only reason I tried it out is because of this. That's the only reason I have Tor at the moment. I'm probably gonna deinstall it after this. That's how you can check ranks. While this is going, I will go on and make another voice channel for the moderators. Mod and owner can only join it to create. Now only mods and owners can see it and join it. Okay, so I see here that I can continue. Okay, so only mods and owners can join it. If you want to have channels, like, say for the division, you want group 1, you can do spaces here, then do everyone, create, you go here, add a channel, user limit, 4 users, because there are only 4 users in a group. Then only 4 users can join it, or admins can join it too, even if it's full. So that is a downside of it. I don't know if you can disable it, but now I am getting my tester here. He should be here. Hello. I can see him on my... Wait, I'm gonna say hi. Look, there he is. Oh, okay, that's the... Oh, he joined too. Okay, take that one. It was when I tried it earlier that didn't work. So I have Testy here. I can give him a role like member. Now I can see he is above me, what should not be done. So if you go to roles, you can change the... Okay, done. So now he's under me. He is a member. Now on my other screen, I can see if he can join everything. He can see the mod, but he can't join it. He can join the member, which I can't because I need to set a lot up, and I'm not doing that. So this is how you can check everything out if you don't have a friend to check it out. And why is mod still above? Am I that bad? Yes, I am. Okay, so that is how ranks work. I am just gonna remove the rank, so if someone is going to try to connect to this server with Testy, he doesn't have anything special. Then, this is not everything. You can do a lot more. Well, for some reason I made another invite. I do not need that. You can connect some stuff. I have never done this. I don't know why you would. Here you can see the members, yeah, bans, if you would ban people. You can upload your own emoji. I will just upload literally the same picture as I use, and you can change the name to road. I'll call this one road because you see a road. And then if you do this, it will only work on your server, by the way. Then you have a road. It's something good for communities like I have the Rainbow Six Siege and the Division community. They use special emotes from the game itself. And I think VidMe has some too. I will leave the link to the VidMe Discord down below too for you guys. And then, did we have everything? No, of course not. Widgets. Well, I have no idea what this does. I have not used it. I didn't use everything of Discord because why would I? Create a webhook. This is if you have a website, I think. Then security. If you want a really secure server, so like the Discord server would need to have this of like the Rainbow Six Siege, the Division, fit me. But if you have a private thingy, don't worry. If you're gonna make a public Discord that is gonna be for the VidMe community, you should enable this. You need a 6-digit authentication code, which I can't get because I don't have the app on my phone anymore. You need a app on the phone, on your phone. If you want this, it's the same as that you enable your own authentication thingy. I am not gonna open it because it shows codes that people can use to get on my account. So that's pretty much it for that. Then notification settings status for every server, you can choose that on your own. Then privacy settings, that's something. Oh, where is it? Sorry, I am not. Okay, here it is. What I would suggest is doing low for private servers. That's that they need a Discord account or really small public channels. So for like VidMe channels of 50 to 100 followers. If you have about like 10,000 subscribers or followers, I would suggest medium. And if you're a really big channel with 300,000 subscribers or 300,000 followers, I would do this. It's really hard. It's 10 minutes of waiting before someone can chat once they join, but it keeps trolls from doing their stuff. At least it slows them down and maybe they'll forget about it or something. It will keep people out of your server that are annoying, and I think it will help. But I am doing none because I'm deleting this afterwards. Then an AFK channel, I think you really want is if you have a decently big AFK channel. So we have AFK here, then we go to this, server settings, we select AFK, and after 15 minutes of not being active, so not talking in voice channels, you'll get moved there. Of course, it won't be used that much, only for really big channels. I think I can even show you of this Discord. Here it has a AFK room here, 4 people are in it, and sometimes it's a list of 15 people that are AFK, forgot to disconnect or something. You can disable it, of course. I didn't do that because it's better if you enable it. Then I think I have had everything off the Discord. Now, if you want to add a bot, it is very easy. And I'm just gonna take this screen. Yes. So there you can see my Tor browser. Okay, we go into Google Chrome, then I need to get here. I want to add Mee6. Okay, so we go to their side of Mee6 and add to Discord. Because I have admin privileges, I can authorize it on the Discord. Okay, here is what it all can do. It is in Dutch for some reason. I have no idea why. Probably because I'm located in Belgium. So I authorized, and now I can change a lot of stuff. But first of all, let's get back to this screen. Here we have Mee6. First thing I always do with bots, I make them their own role, but because Mee6 automatically has its own role, I just make that role pink. Because pink is a color you are not really gonna use for people. Besides, it's a very flashy color. It gives them the attention they need. You need to give your bots attention. Okay, so going back to the screen, we have enable the plugin. I enable the plugin commands. I love to use this because what I can do is make a command like I'll make Kualdir and then make it go to my Discord. Add. This is the Discord invite link of this Discord that I am working on. So if we go back again, and I would do Kualdir, he will say the invite link of the Discord. You can do anything with this, like showing your VidMe channel, showing your YouTube channel, Twitter, stuff like that. I have it on my server. And if you do, oh, that's the wrong thingy. Kualdir, Kualdir, Kual. Why does Mee6 not want to work, Kualdir? Okay, yeah, that is better. Oh, it's Twitter. Here you have my Twitter. You see, it's a little bit active, and I see someone didn't get a rank. I'll fix that. You guys can join my Discord, and you will get a rank, and you can get ranks by chatting because you level up. That's something I'm gonna show you. But now we get to the levels. I always change this because having the default thingy isn't fun, so I mostly do. Oh yeah, I just effed off. Okay, I effed up. But Congrats. Player leveled up and then the level. Like, this is the most basic thing you can have. I think you shouldn't do it like this because this is very poorly. But it's something you can have. Then the delay would, which doesn't work for me. These rolls don't gain XP in Mee6, of course, because otherwise, can you see the bots that gives the levels leveling up? You can reward rolls. So what you can do for public discourse that aren't of a specific community, you can make a active rank at level 5 and stuff like that. I would just say give member on level 1. If there is no one to talk with, they will get members. So now if I would, with my tasty bot, tasty bot, I would just chat a lot, hi, and blah, but spamming doesn't work. They have a anti-spam filter. You can see how it works. I have no idea how anymore. I think it's by command you can do. So what you can do is levels, and then you'll get a link. And here you can reset levels if you are owner, if you have administrator rights. So, you can't have your level reset. And there you can see the role rewards and how it works. You can all find this yourself, of course. So next on is moderator. I use this for the clear section. If there is anyone that wants to use this, I don't think it's really that useful. It's just funny to use. So I can now just do, if I would update it. I'm gonna sneeze. Or I'm not. Never mind. I would do clear 50, and all messages are deleted. It's good if you're talking about something private in the public chat and you don't notice it. Yes, that happened to me. You can enable slow modes, which I wouldn't do, only if you have a hell of a lot of people on your Discord spamming anti-spam, maybe. If you've had it a lot, which I didn't, so I'm not enabling it now. And the mute that didn't work for me, so I'm not going to show it since it didn't work. Here you can ban words. So if I would go to Discord now and I would try to type fuck, I forgot to press update. So if I would press in fuck, it would delete it and say language. There is no warning system for this, which I hope will. Wow. Wow, thank you. Okay, so my mic cut off, sorry. So it's not really that useful. Like, since it has no, what was I talking about? Since there's no warning system, and then if you do it too much, that you get banned, or you can just spam words. But it's something, you can make a whole list of banned words if you want. It will take you a while, but it keeps the chat clean. That's always a good thing. Moderator roles, these roles can actually use the moderator command, so they can use the clear command. Yeah, of course, a mod can do that. And owner can. Oh, yeah, okay, I just... you know how it works. Then you have music, which I can't enable because you need a lot of points for that, and that goes account-wise. But you can then have a music bot. It costs money. You need to donate for it. So search another bot if you want a music bot, which I wouldn't really suggest using. You can just listen to YouTube to YouTube or Fit Me music, you know. Search anything. Oh, I have loved this feature. So if we go to Discord and I would say YouTube update, since it has no VidMe, I need to YouTube. Too bad. So I will go YouTube and then Kualdir. It finds my Minecraft Funny Moments video that I have on VidMe too. Then you can click on the link and watch the video, of course, or click here to. It's easy to share your videos, but everyone can use this command, so it will be a lot of spamming if you have it. That's why I don't use it. I will disable that again. The help me command. It's very basic, which should be on automatically. Update. Oh yeah. Okay, so now if you go to Discord and you do help, you can see all the commands, even the custom commands. You can't see what it does, but it's all the commands you can do. Then you have Twitch, which I haven't used, but you can notify the certain people on Twitch to start streaming. I don't think you really want to use this. Only if you're a streamer yourself and you add yourself to the list. You have Reddit, that's something for Reddit groups. If there is a post in your favorite subreddit, that's what VidMe even has. They have a Reddit section, and here it posts the thingies that get posted on Reddit on VidMe. I think VidMe automatically places verified videos on Reddit, so you will always get yours here, even if you are not in the Discord. Not many people look at it, I think, but it's something. Oh, I did not have. Okay, so let's now go to Discord and VidMe. It has the Reddit section here too, so everything that gets posted on the Reddit of VidMe will be here. And then, let's see, do we still have something left? A welcome message. I would suggest doing this in a private message, like some servers do. Hey, welcome to, have a great time here. Hey, welcome to, I hope you enjoy, and then you say send a private message and update. Now, when someone joins my Discord, you will get a private message from the Mee6 bot saying his name, welcome to, then test server, I hope you enjoy. Then a goodbye message. Aw, you left, no. You can change this to whatever you want. You can make it really professional, you can make it really funny. That's your choice. Then one more thing, the get command. And let's see what it does. Here's where the magic happens. It brings you to this. It's, I think, the open source of Mee6, so you can edit it for your own. This is for your server, I think. You can change it, and Mee6 will do whatever you want. Fun, isn't it? Haha. So, I think that is everything that Mee6 does, but it's a awesome bot. I use it on every server I have. You can configure it how you want, and if you're a developer, you can change it and let it do some stuff different, and if something doesn't work, yeah, you can fix that yourself. You can change servers, so I can go to another servers, change settings there, and enable update notifications on my email, I think. Yes. So guys, that is how you make your own Discord. So this is what I made in about 25 minutes. Of course, you can do a lot more, but I think I explained the basics good enough. So, more roles, everything. I hope this video helped you making your own Discord and getting Mee6 in it. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any feedback, you can leave it down in the comments below. And I'll see you next time. Bye bye!